In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable pop-ups and redirects in Google Chrome. This setting is essential for ensuring a smoother and safer browsing experience. Pop-ups and redirects can be incredibly annoying and sometimes even harmful, as they might lead you to unsafe sites or display unwanted advertisements. Fortunately, Google Chrome provides a straightforward way to block them, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, let's begin by opening your Google Chrome browser. Once you've got Chrome up and running, you'll notice a three-dot menu icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This is your gateway to Chrome's settings and other useful tools. Go ahead and click on that three-dot menu icon. As a drop-down menu appears, you'll want to select the option labeled Settings. Don't worry if you're not immediately familiar with the layout. I'll help you navigate through it. Once you're in the Settings menu, a new tab will open with a variety of options to personalize your browsing experience. Now, let's focus on the left-hand side of this screen. Here you'll see a panel with different categories. Locate and click on the option titled Privacy and Security. This section is crucial for managing how your data is handled while you're online, and it's where we'll take steps to block those pesky pop-ups and redirects. Within the Privacy and Security settings, look for the option called Site Settings. This is where Chrome allows you to control what content sites can access and display. Click on Site Settings to proceed further. As you scroll through the Site Settings page, you'll encounter numerous options related to how websites interact with your browser. Keep scrolling down until you find pop-ups and redirects. This is the specific setting we're interested in. Once you click on pop-ups and redirects, you'll see a straightforward choice to make. To ensure a cleaner browsing experience, select the option labeled Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. This action will block websites from automatically opening new windows or redirecting you without your consent. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to enhance your web browsing experience by managing pop-ups and redirects in Google Chrome. You'll find that with this setting adjusted, navigating the web becomes much less intrusive and far more enjoyable. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks to optimize your online activities. Enjoy your improved pop-up free browsing experience.